In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a course on Squarespace with a password protected page. We're going to set up a simple course page inside Squarespace and then lock it with a password so only people with access can view it. This is a useful option if you want to share private course content with students, clients, or members without making the page public. To begin, log into your Squarespace dashboard and go to the website section. This is where you'll manage the structure and content of your site. Once you're there, click on Pages. The Pages panel is where you create new pages, organize your site navigation, and control which content visitors can access. Next, click the plus icon to add a new page. Squarespace will show you a few page options. From here, choose Add Blank. This is a good choice because it gives you a clean starting point with no extra layout elements, which is helpful when you want to build a course page from scratch. After that, click on Page. This creates a standard page that you can customize however you like. Now give your course a name. Choose a clear title that makes it easy to recognize in your site menu and in your backend. This title can reflect the course topic, module name, or program name, depending on how you plan to organize your content. Once the page has been created and named, find the settings icon next to it and click it. This opens the page settings where you can control important options for that specific page. One of the key settings here is password protection. In the password field, type the password you want visitors to use when accessing the course page. Make sure you choose something secure, but also easy enough to share with the right people. If you're distributing access manually, it's a good idea to keep the password stored somewhere safe so you can send it consistently and avoid confusion later. When the password has been entered, click Save. This step is important because it applies the protection to the page. From this point on, anyone trying to open that page will be asked to enter the password before they can continue. Finally, click Edit. This takes you into the page editor where you can start adding your actual course content. At this stage, you can build out lessons, upload videos, add text, include downloadable resources, or structure the page in a way that best fits your course experience. And that's it. You've now created a course page in Squarespace and protected it with a password, giving you a simple way to control access while keeping your content organized and private.